Don't do it too fast, just do it slowly. That's it. Good girl. Put it back in that. That's it. Good girl.
This is how I do it.
That's it. Great. Well done. That was good rowing.
I got a camera.
Good girl. That's it. Put it back in the thing. Well done. Good girl.
That's how I go.
That's how you roll. That's how you row. Put it back in the thing then. In that bit.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay. That's it. Well done. Wow. Good loads. Good girl.